Jorge Bravo. I'm the founder of Hispanic Kitchen and Chatterbox Media. Chatterbox Media got started back in 2009 with the goal of really being a destination for people who want Latin flavors. It wasn't. It was a niche that I felt wasn't being filled by mainstream media. So that's where it got started, and then it steadily grew, and we are where we are today. I always had the ambition that HK can be the go-to destination for people who love Latin food. And that was the vision, that remains the vision, and that's what we're working toward. The destination was always pretty clear to me as to what it was. The matter was, how do you get there? And then eventually the pieces started to come together. I do recommend the SBDC at FIU, in this particular case, to entrepreneurs here, because I think it can help them really accelerate their growth or potentially prevent them from making a serious mistake. So anytime you have the benefit of somebody who's been there, done that, really solid experience, I think you should avail yourself of it. Certainly that was the case for me. You know, my consultant was able to really point me in the right direction, and there were bumps, but that wasn't on him, that was more like on me. But he had the right ideas. FIU SBDC is providing a very important service, and I think South Florida is full of entrepreneurs, and they've been crying out for support, not just in terms of the infrastructure here, but if FIU SBDC can also help them connect with funding, that'd be a great way to help. I think FIU SBDC really has a great role it can play, and there's a lot of potential to really make a difference.